Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at one of the most complete piano bundles you can buy if you're serious about learning, practicing, or performing, the Roland FP-30X 88-key digital piano in black, bundled with the KSC-70 matching stand, the KPD-73 pedal unit, a comfortable bench, online lessons, an Austin Bazaar instructional DVD, and even a polishing cloth to keep everything looking brand new. This is a full studio-level setup in one box. Right away, the FP-30X stands out because Roland built it with their acclaimed supernatural piano sound engine. The moment you press the keys, the tone blooms naturally warm, dynamic, expressive, exactly what you want from a premium digital piano. Let's pause for a moment because the feel of this thing really matters. The 88-key Fa4 standard keyboard uses progressive hammer action with escapement, giving you authentic acoustic piano weight and control. That means better technique, better finger strength, and better musical expression. The included KSC-70 stand transforms the FP-30X from a portable keyboard into a full upright-style home instrument. Add the KPD-70 triple pedal system, and you unlock full damper, sostenuto, and soft pedal support essential for classical playing, advanced dynamics, and realistic performance. Whether you're practicing Chopin or learning basic chords, this setup behaves like a real piano. Bluetooth audio and MIDI are built in, letting you connect to apps for learning, recording, or composing. And since this bundle includes online lessons and a full instructional DVD, beginners can start immediately while intermediate and advanced players get pro-grade performance right away. The included bench completes the experience, giving you proper posture for practice sessions. Everything comes together as a sleek, modern, powerful digital piano system that fits perfectly in apartments, studios, practice rooms, or living spaces. If you're ready to elevate your music journey with a beautiful, studio-quality Roland piano, check the link below. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep following Gadgetverse for more top-tier tech and gear reviews every day.